So hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to register Binance account. So to do this it's pretty simple. So here I'm in my Binance application and it's unverified. As you can see, I'm an unverified user, which is regular only here. So to verify it, you can do this option. So you can go to your profile, top left corner, unverified, check that, and then you'll just have to press verification, or you can actually just verify here. So once you verify your identity, once you have made your account, you can do it in within 14 days and you'll get 20 USDT trade fee rebate, or you can just verify identity just by pressing that button. So it will redirect you to a page. So what do you do here basically is actually verify your identification, where you have to submit your government ID card, your address, your number, your email. They'll even have to video call you if possible, because you will have to show your ID and your face live to the person in Binance so that you'll be registered. So there you go guys, it's just gonna be loading for a while. All you have to do is just actually go there and then it'll redirect you and you'll just have to fill it out. As simple as that. So there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.